Hi there, my name is Lisa and today I am designing for Coco Daisy. I am going to be making a mini planner, Christmas planner for my bag. I've got obviously my big A5 planners and even my personal planners can feel quite chunky. I just want something small and compact that fits in my bag where I can have notes and lists and that kind of thing. So I've tested this already. This came in the planner kit last month and I'm going to give it a revamp and turn it into a little Christmas planner. It's pocket size, so if you've got anything kind of similar, you can do this as well. Now I'm going to start off, I'm going to remove the notebook and I'm going to be completely revamping this. I am going to remove the cord. And I did test it beforehand just to make sure that I can paint it. And I'm just going to paint the cover. Don't worry if you haven't got anything like this. I'm just going to show you what's in my planner, and it could be that you've got something that you can maybe adapt, or you might have a pocket planner already, and I'll just show you then what I'm keeping in mine. And now I'm just going to leave that to dry. I'm just using regular acrylic white paint. I'm now going to attempt to draw a Christmas tree on here, or paint. I'm going to use a very, very sweet friend gifted me this paint palette for Christmas, and I've been so excited about trying it. So I'm going to give it a go. Go, and then let's colour that in. I'm going to be doing this in layers, so I will add more greens to it. Let's lay this down. I wasn't sure how this would work on here. And then just going to draw some boxes. And I'm just going to leave this to dry for the time being, and then I will layer it up a little bit more. So everything's dry, and I now need to create some inserts. I'm going to be using the notepad here that comes in the planner kit. That's really quite handy, but I do want some pages. I want things to make lists, and I've got quite a lot going on at the moment, so I thought these would be really, really good. The daily to-dos, I don't tend to use them, but I think they could really work, and I'm going to use the 3 holes. So I figured if I cut them in half, I will then use the 3 holes from the kit, from the side there. Really important that they line up. And then I am going to use my big bite to make the 3 holes. I'm going to use one as a template, and then I can mark off the holes for the center. I'm just making sure that I'm lining it up each time. Decided to flip these ones over. I want the trees on that side, and I'm going to hold it, so I've just trimmed off these, and now I need to just add the holes on the other side. This paper's going to be more handy to me than the other side. This one here as my template to make the holes on the correct side. This green string goes really, really well. It holds these nicely in place. I've cut these down to size, and these ones I folded out. And I've got the green pen from the planner kit. It's all looking quite cute now. I need to add the notebook in the back. It's the kind of thing I'll use if I'm out shopping, or if I'm out and about and suddenly something comes to mind. I've just attached the elastic that was in previously underneath the string, so that actually holds it together really nicely now. December journal card, which I'm going to trim down and stick on the front there, and that looks really nice. And now I'm just going to add some of the die cuts as well, just to decorate. Decided I need some sections in this little planner just to make life a little bit easier. I've just noticed I've got some white paint up there. And so I've made a note of the sections that I want. I want shopping, not shoppings, gifts, menus, and Christmas Eve. Now I've got these little tab tops here, these stamps, so I'm actually going to be using these. I've got some card from the planner kit, and I'm going to cut that down to size and make some little dashboards. I'm going to be untying this, and then I can use the page as my template again. I'm going to be using these little tabs from the kit. These are really handy. I've got 4 of those. I'll trim them up, and then I'm going to stamp the words on the top of the tabs. My little tab tops. Obviously you can make as many as you wish. If you obviously don't have the stamp set from Cocoa Daisy, then you can write them or type them, whatever's easiest for you. Now I am going to be stapling them in place on the dashboards, nice and easy. And I've swapped out 2 green staples. My 4 dashboards, I've got shopping, menu, gifts, and Christmas Eve. And if in case you're wondering why there isn't a Christmas Day, it's because we're going out this year. The first time I'm not cooking in over 20 years. We've booked a pub restaurant down the road, home cooked food, and all the family are going. I can't wait. Leave me a comment below. Let me know, where are you having your Christmas dinner this year? I would love to know. It's completely new for us going out this year, and I have to say I am really, really excited. I'm almost finished now. I've put everything back inside. Got my, I can pop receipts or anything like that, any notelets. I've got my shopping section with my notes there. Got space for schedules on the back. I've also got menus as well, any planning I want to do. And then I've got my gift section. I can write all my lists there. And then I've got the Christmas Eve section for note making as well. Just one last thing to add, and that's this cute charm from the planner kit. There we go, and that is my little Christmas mini planner, and that's the perfect size to fit in my bag. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Let me know, how are you going to go about your Christmas planning? Do you want something small like this for your bag, or do you have a big planner that you keep in the house? Let me know, what is your best way to plan? I would love to know, and please share your planning ideas with me. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye. I've got lots more videos coming up for you. Christmas related, planning, gift wrapping, shopping, gift ideas, you name it, it's coming. I've got cooking as well. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any. Thanks. Bye.